Did Amazon cancel your brand registry? I'm going to show you the top 4 reasons and how to fix them in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So, number 1 is there's something wrong with your trademark. That's the number 1 reason why it got canceled. So it's either suspended, it's dead, or you forgot to renew it, right? So if you go to the uspto.gov, let's say ours is Pop, it literally says dead and abandoned. Amazon does check this, so that's the reason. And even if it doesn't say dead, canceled, abandoned, pretty much what you can do is also check in the documents section and see if there's anything. Sometimes it's suspended in here and it doesn't actually show it on the actual website, so check all of the documents in here to see if everything is good to go, right? And if trademarks only last 10 years, so if it's been 10 years and you forgot to renew it, well, that could be an issue as well. Now, to fix this, if your trademark is dead, suspended, you forgot to renew it, the quick fix, right, if ours is Pop, is just to file another trademark with the same exact name, class, and everything. So I would just refile this brand new, right? And then that way it still has the same exact brand name as my Amazon listings, and then I can file with Brand Registry and I will be good to go. So that's one of the quick fixes to get around it if this is the issue. Number 2 is your brand name isn't on your packaging permanently. So for example, this one, they have a trademark. It's called NeuroGum. Their trademark is Neuro. Right here, you can see it, right? Now it's permanently on the packaging. It's not a sticker. I can't just scratch it off or take it off, right? So if your brand name isn't permanently on the packaging, Amazon might kick you off of Brand Registry because they think you're faking it till you make it, right? They're gonna ask for actual photos that show that it's on the packaging, right? We already had a client where it happened where they had a sticker. All of the products, they put all of their items in a box and they just put a sticker. And then Amazon found out they didn't like that and they said, you need to have permanent packaging, kicked them off Brand Registry until they could support and show them images. They even had to remove all of their inventory from Amazon. It was a mess. The solution to that is just to talk to your manufacturer, work out a deal so you can have permanent packaging, or you can also talk to a custom packaging manufacturer, right? Like Vistaprint.com. Number 3 is you did too many infringements and now Amazon hates you. Well, not necessarily that, but you'll get something like this. This is when you've got suspended from a report of violation, right? And you may have seen this before. It's when you submit too many infringements or didn't follow Amazon's report a policy violation. A lot of the times this happens if you report the same person over and over again. Amazon doesn't like that. Or if you report too many people at once, right? And what they usually do is they kick you off of just report a violation, but they might kick you off of Brand Registry as well. And what you want to do is follow Amazon's policies and appeal the decision. Now, if you do have this, right now we do have 100% success rate of getting you reinstated for this. It does take time, just being honest, but we have an appeal that works right here, right? We create an SOP, we create step by step, we figure out what you did wrong. It's usually the same things over and over again, but as long as you have a really, really good appeal, you can get it approved and reinstated just like we did for this client. Here's their picture. And then literally Brand Registry said, after carefully reviewing the information and documents you provided, we have determined that you may continue to submit infringement notices. So you can get reinstated for this as well as for Brand Registry. And number 4 is you expanded to a different country and are piggybacking your US trademark. Now this doesn't happen often, but it can still happen. So pretty much what happens is if you have a US trademark, right? Just like, let's say this one right here, Pop. And then now we sell in Canada. So let's say we want to sell in Canada, okay? And now we get the trademark in Canada. So now all of a sudden our brand name in Canada also says Hickaway. and this is Amazon.ca, so this is Canada. But if you don't actually have the trademark in Canada, somebody can get the Hickaway trademark in Canada and then kick you off. Then Amazon's going to be pissed and kick you off of Brand Registry. So what I'm trying to say is, if you expand internationally, Amazon's going to let you use the brand name, whatever you have in the US. But technically, you're only allowed to use it in the USA unless you get the trademark as well in Canada. So if I expand to the UK, I should be getting a UK trademark and things like that. The solution for this is wherever you expand, you need to get a trademark in that country, right? And you can also utilize Fiverr to help you get trademarks in different countries, right? So you can just type in Chinese trademark. And what you can do is actually go to the seller details and say that if I wanted to get a Chinese trademark, I can say they have to live in China. So that way you can get somebody that's legit and not somebody from overseas that doesn't even know Chinese law. And this is a great way to do it. But that's it for today's video. Has Amazon ever hit you with a brand registry issue? Drop a comment below and let me know what happened. I might cover how to fix it in a future video. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, expanding internationally, helping you get trademarks, customer service, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.